Hey guys, Mercedes is quite a nice car, but if you own one, you already probably know that a cup holders is definitely not in every Mercedes that you can find, but it is an optional feature that you can buy, but very often you don't know where to buy. So what I'm doing here, I'm using my 3D printer to print a cup holder for Mercedes CLS second generation. I think it was W218. And here you can see in the bamboo slicing studio, it's already working. I basically just changed a couple of the settings to make the print quality more, let's say, look better and just work out fine. So the process took something around like 2 hours, and you don't need to do anything during that time. You just put it to the print and sit and wait. So once that is done, it looks like this and it comes out. Let me show you in a good white background. So the part looks very solid. It's really nice, and I'm gonna give it also to the test in the car to see if it fits nicely, if it works. And by the way, if you're wondering like where you can get this one, I think I can definitely print it for you. So just let me know. I'm gonna throw the contacts somewhere in the comments or in the description. I think your location doesn't matter. I can manage to ship it wherever you live, and we can definitely come up with a good agreement on the price. So this is the place where the cup holder actually goes in, right? You don't need to take anything out. Just open it in and take your cup holder and just put it inside, and that's it. It fits perfectly. And we already tried, like, it's not on a video, but we try to put some mug of coffee or just bottle or some Coke can and stuff like that, and it works just fine. So if you're looking for something like that, just let me know. 3D printing is solving a lot of the problems. Thank you for watching, and see you later.